Outstanding design defines the 2007 Lexus RX 350. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, a power liftgate, skid plates, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.